To Ivy's coupon count, we are going in Kohls to look for some calendars, wall decor, journals, planners, whatever we can to reset our life. Let's go ahead and reset our life. Hey guys, but first, a deal is a deal. 60% off in Kohls. The Christmas stuff is 60%. Some of them went up to 70% off. Some of it's up to 70. And I'm just passing through and I want you guys to see it. I know I already did a video on this, so I don't want you to be looking at something over and over again. But just to let you see that. Now, here we're getting into like some of the stuff for New Year. Buy one, get one half off. Look at that, wall hangings, gallery frames. Anything to reset your life, guys. A calendar is just not a calendar. Grab something that grabs your eye, that you pay attention to. Get journals and planners that grab your eye, that you pay attention to. Because that's going to make you keep going to that calendar. That's going to make you keep going to that planner and making you pay attention to what you're doing. So, here you go. Now, we got some more stuff over here. So, okay. So, we got these stickers, the wall sticks. Buy one, get one half off. Letter boards. And how much is this letter board? $29. That's expensive. But there's a black one. Here's another letter board. This one is a little smaller than those. So how much is this one? It's still $29. Okay, wall decor. Buy one, get one half off. There's He Will Cover You. Oh, I like that Live, Love, Laugh. And those are rocks. Here's some more accent walls. Enjoy the little things. Be kind, have faith. This house is built on love, okay? And we like to see prices and stuff. That one, $29. Boy, the lucky number must be 29 today. Wow, lottery number. That one, 23. And I like that. But I feel like I could DIY that. And this one, 29. I got stuff curated by Kohls. It's the creator and the cultivator. So they got notes. They got different little stuff. Oh, they got pens. They have pens. It was hard for me to find this guys in Kohls, like I was everywhere. They got paper clips. Now they have a whole array of sticky tab, but it's different ones. Okay. They got all their cups, their notepads. Okay, and they different colors. Let me see how much they are. $8. So, you know, when they be crafty, they $8, right? Let's see how much the cups are. The cups are $12. Way too expensive to me. That's $9 for 3 pens. 3 pens, $9. Sticky notes is $5.50. And those are $6 for paper clips. Let's see. Now they got the notepads. Notes on notes on notes. I like that. Dotted grid journal. It's a journal and it's $16. Wow. Okay. That's creative. Same thing. Those are just the different colors they come in. But they do have some in other colors. They right here. They are right here. This is a spiral notebook. Okay, and it's $15.50, which is cheaper than that one. But I guess that other one is moleskin. So you got that one also. That's pretty. And you got it in yellow. Okay, so yeah, here it is right here. It's called Creator Cultivate. Oh, and here is a weekly calendar. Making Moves calendar this week. So you tile for each page. And that's $13.50. I actually like that. She actually have a whole product line, so I'm gonna go around and show it to you guys. Okay. She has totes. Okay, then how much is the tote? The tote, whoa, $140. What is this? This $140. Okay, now just let me be honest. The zipper is plastic for $140. That's a bit steep. Okay, but it's pretty and it feels so good. That's how the inside of it looks with a pack. Okay, I was gonna see if it was 100% leather, but I don't know. I'm scared to look at the price of this. Oh, and it's engraved with this writing on there. But it's got a back pocket. See, and it's snap. clothes. Okay, now this is the little one that has the engraved writing. Let's see. Whew, 25. How do you do that? But it's another plastic zipper, which doesn't do well with mommies. It's a clip-on, and it's plastic, and it unzips like a little barrel. They got all kind of colors. Oh, I actually like that one, that color. So those must be the new colors out. And then here is a wallet that they got. Okay, the wallet $48. Wow. Okay. And then you got white, and back here you got a beige one. And then here's all the prices for those. And this is cute. I used to have a Jordache purse like this. Who remember Jordache? Yeah, I'm telling my age right now. Okay, so here is, and that one 45. I actually like that. Now, that I could do. Okay, then they have an orange one, salmon. And then they got a pretty purple. That's cute. Let me see how the inside looks. Okay, that's how the inside of it looks. All the way down in there. That's how it looks. Knotted on the end. Okay. Okay, so she has those little barrel purses in, what is it, clip-on, a tech pouch. They call tech pouches. Okay, so she got them in different colors. Blue, green, purple, the salmon. Then they got the wallets. And then she had these. Now, I like this. Now, this caught my eye when I saw it. So, crossbody water bottle. And how much is it? $50. Okay. So, I mean, you know, get what you like. I bought expensive stuff because I like it too. And then, you know, this is my favorite color because I grab this green one right here. It's actually got a little something to go up in there. And a long handle to go on. Here's something else that I curated by Kohls, and it's a toothbrush toiletries holder. Get organized. Oh, okay. So, I mean, I'm going to stick that on the wall. Is that what I'm going to do? Yeah. Okay. And how much is that? Okay, I was trying to see. Here's a shower mirror razor hook, and it don't have prices on it, guys. So, okay, the razor holder is $6.99. The toothbrush rack is $6.99. The mini toiletry bag is $14, and that's this. And then the shower mirror, $14. The soap hold. Okay, the shower caddy. The shower caddy is $19. So there you go. Go figure. Here's something else. I thought that was by curated. It's not. Whatever it was, they removed her stuff. Because Honest is over here. Because it was curated by Kohls. But look, it's gone. So, is that Honest? Is that her? No, that's not the same person. So I don't know why they got them mixed up like that. Okay, here's some more curated by Kohls. Okay, baby products. So I guess that's what curated by Kohls is, more baby products, and it's by Honest too. Honest is the creator of this, so it's just another brand that Honest brought out. Oh, little sleek jackets like that. I'll be your little slick stuff. Okay, so you got all the Honest products. Honest also got what? Alcohol wipes. How much is those? $20. Let me see. Child, them wipes is $19.99. Not when I can get some alcohol poured on. Okay. Here, that's a good one. And this is one. Look at that. They got the, now see, I like cuddle squares. I like those. I use those a lot on my kids. Here's some more Honest right here. So they got disinfecting spray. Okay, antibacterial spray. Kills 99% of germs. Okay, it's got peroxide. Whoa, okay. So it's peroxide in it. Okay. Okay, the spray $6.99, cheaper than this, which is crazy. Okay, and what's this? This is a 4-pack of Honest hand sanitizers. And it's an antiseptic. 62% alcohol is in it. The hand sanitizer is $12.99. Wow. Okay, so that's what it was. It was the Honest product. She just switched to a different thing. Okay, guys, if you like what you see, you like that I'm doing the calendars, journals, and all of this different stuff to reset your life, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye.